Okay, I'm at this gable end here, and I'm up on this ladder, which is a bit wonky, and I got a bucket of cement there, mortar technically. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna try and get one of these tiles all the way across, and one that's, by the time I get, oh look, red arrows. Two flights. Nice. Anyway, I'm putting one at a time. I can get two here, and then I'm gonna have to come over to the scaffolding. Take it from there. Boy, it's gonna be another hot day today. I'm not in a great mood. Thank God it's Friday. So let's get on with it. See how we go. One little attention to detail, put a little stone in there just so it wouldn't look all mortared up. If I'd have been clever, I'd have put, like the other guy, he put layers of tiles in there to make it look nice, but I didn't get that far. I didn't read that chapter in the book. I got some on the sides, just filling it in so that's nice and solid. Now I gotta get that tile on there and get back to work.